MSF has established the project here after instability throughout the zone of Geti because of combat between militia and the regular army, which has caused quite a big displacement in different areas. About 25% of the people is displaced currently in the zone of Geti. Geti region has a border with Uganda, and the most of the déplacés, they're stuck between this border of Uganda and the forest area west side of Geti. The problem is that the absence of other NGOs or the absence of health authorities from Kinshasa makes it very difficult for us to establish the objectives of the project. It's a forgotten region, Geti. It's a bit of a forgotten region.
Quand les miliciens ont atterri, ils ont commencé à tuer et menacer les gens. Pendant la nuit, pas que pendant la journée.
Et violer aussi les femmes.
Et violer les femmes.
Avec la torture.
C'était impossible. C'était impossible de supporter ça dans des contrées épais loin là-bas. Alors, la population guétienne se sont déplacés de l'autre côté à partir de Bougouma jusqu'ici.
Avec le déplacement de la population de l'aire de santé de Issoura, nous avons presque le double de la population. Et cela a fait à ce que brusquement qu'on ait l'augmentation de la fréquentation de la structure. Parce qu'avant l'arrivée de cette population, on avait dans une semaine plus ou moins 300 nouveaux cas. Et présentement, on est autour de 500 nouveaux cas par semaine. Quand il y a rupture de médicaments, les malades, les déplacés surtout, qui sont dépourvus de tout et de rien, quand on leur fait l'ordonnance, vraiment ça fait qu'ils sont frustrés. Il y a ces gens qui n'ont pas assez de moyens qui peuvent se procurer les médicaments sur le marché.
MSF works together with the Ministry of Health, so we have about 40 people employed by MSF, and we work with about 140 staff of the Ministry of Health through this one hospital and 5 health centers. We are working in 4 regions mainly: the health center of Geti, the health center of Abeba, the health center of Chekele, and the health center of Olongba. Next to that, we have an emergency response in the health center of Soke, and we are trying to establish a response in the health center of Maga. But the problem what we see now is during 2010 there's a withdrawal even from other NGOs. There's limited interest in the zone by health authorities, which makes it for us that we are working partly as a development partner, partly as an emergency partner, and with only our presence, it's very difficult to assure a decent level of healthcare for the whole zone. It's important for MSF to highlight this lack of interest, this lack of presence in the zone of Geti, while there are clearly humanitarian needs, not only on a development level, but also on an emergency level.